Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Stacy on this channel, and you all know this segment is called Stacy's Cooking Show. If you're new here, it is new to you. This segment is called Stacy's Cooking Show. So if you're new on my channel right now, guys, please to go ahead and subscribe. You won't be disappointed. Yes, guys, let's get into this video. So I'm about to make some burgers today, and I'm gonna use the ground beef. I already seasoned it up right here, well spicy and everything. And I'm gonna use these dressings right here. I'm gonna use tomato, onions, pickle. I'm gonna use some lettuce, yes, and I'm gonna use the mayonnaise and the honey mustard and a little oregano to do the dressing. Just stay tuned. Yes guys, so my gloves is on. I'm gonna just roll a small amount of this beef here in my hand. Yes, and my pot is on as well, my frying pan. I use a little tip of olive oil to do the frying. So I'm just gonna make this beef, roll it up back in my hands. Yes, and then I'm gonna just flatten it out. Yep. And I'm gonna fry. So stay tuned for the outcome. This is the outcome of my yummy beef burger, guys. Check it out. This is the outcome. So what it's looking like here, guys. Yeah. Tomato. Everything that I show you guys is inside here. I didn't show you guys the cheese, but I add cheese, guys, as y'all can see. Cheese is down below. Yes, I add cheese. Yes, guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and share me out if you can. Peace, guys. I'm out.